Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to record Roblox with OBS. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is go to our Roblox account and log in. Then we will choose the game mode we want to play. With the game running, we'll open OBS and in the source section we will click on the plus sign and search for the window capture source type. Here we'll make sure the Roblox screen is visible. We will click on OK and now we can adjust the game screen to OBS by making it larger or smaller. Finally, we'll just need to click on start recording and that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.